Rivière aux Trembles. The Rivière aux Trembles, English, Aspen River, is a tributary of Pémonca River, flowing in the unorganized territory of Lac-Ashuapmushuan in the Domaine-du-Roy regional county municipality in the administrative region of Saguenay, Lac-Saint-Jean in the province from Quebec to Canada. The Trembles River Valley is mainly served by forest roads. Its course more or less marks the southern limit of the Ashuapmushuan Wildlife Reserve. Forestry, mainly forestry, is the main economic activity in this valley. Recreational tourism activities, second, main because of the Ashuapmushuan Wildlife Reserve. Geography. The Trembles River has its source at the mouth of a small lake, altitude 440 m 1440 ft. This source is located in a forest area in the municipality of Lac-Saint-Jean at 2.6 km 1.6 mi east of the course of the Rivière du Crâne, 1.4 km 0.87 mi north of a mountain peak, altitude 569 m 1867 ft, 43 km 27 mi west of downtown St. Felician. From its source, the Trembles River flows on 23.4 km 14.5 mi with a drop of 168 m 551 ft, especially in agricultural and village areas at the end of the route, depending on the segments following. 5.0 km 3.1 mi to the east, collecting at the beginning of the segment the discharge coming from the south from Lac-Ashuapmushuan, and at the end of the segment the discharge coming from the north from Lac-Ashuapmushuan to a river bend corresponding to a stream coming from the north. 9.4 km 5.8 mi towards the northeast, forming a loop towards the south at the start of the segment, then going up towards the northeast relatively in a straight line, collecting the discharge coming from the north from the Lake du Héron, the outlet of Lac de la Dalle, collecting four streams coming from the south and turning east at the end of the segment. 5.0 km 3.1 mi towards the southeast while bending towards the east at the end of the segment, until the discharge coming from the south of a set of lakes including Vert, Du Cordon, and Stirrup. 4.0 km 2.5 mi to the north, forming a loop to the southeast to collect the discharge coming from the southeast of a stream to its mouth. The Rivière aux Trembles pours into the bottom of a narrow bay to the southeast of Lac-Ashuapmushuan, which turns out to be one of the two head lakes of the Pémonca River. This confluence is located at 28.0 km 17.4 mi northwest of downtown St. Felician, 11.7 km 7.3 mi southwest of the mouth of the Pémonca River. From the mouth of the Trembles River, the current of the Pémonca River descends on 15.8 km 9.8 mi the course of the Pémonca River. The current descends the course of the Ashuapmushuan River on 37.6 km 23.4 mi, then crosses Lake St. Jean east on 41.1 km 25.5 mi, i.e. its full length. Toponymy. The toponym Rivière Pémonca was formalized on December 5, 1968, at the Place Names Bank of the Commission de Toponymie du Québec. Notes and references.